Very much for that. So that's on the entire banking space. But let's move forward now. Hindalco will be releasing its Q4 numbers. Nigel is here with the key expectations. Nigel.
Well, that's right. For Hindalco, we already have the Novelis numbers, which were quite good, and the guidance as well is very good out there. So what we're looking at in these Hindalco numbers is the standalone numbers. Now, just to tell our viewers, the first look at it, don't just go by the standalone numbers, because the Utkal Alumina business is not part of the standalone business. So the way to look at it is Utkal plus the India business. So let's run you through the main numbers that you should be looking at. Well, so, the poll number that we are throwing up is the total India EBITDA number. That should come in at around 2,850 crores, very, very roughly. The number comes up for you on the screen. And this is split up into the aluminium business. The aluminium business consists of the Indian aluminium business, and also it consists of the alumina business. So put that together, you're working with a number of around 2,200 crores. And the copper business, well, it will be stable at around that 650 crores odd. What are the factors on play? Well, for the aluminium business, volumes will be more or less flattish, maybe mildly higher, but they'll gain because they have close to around 22% of their total sales that are hedged, and that number is hedged at a higher price. So they won't bear the the decline that we saw in the past quarter. That's point number one. The other factor that plays out for them is on the cost side. E-auction coal, well, it did see a sharp decline, and they're getting a fair bit of their coal from the e-auction coal as well. So the cost of production for the aluminium business will fall. And for the alumina business, we'll have to track how much of the alumina that they produce is used in-house, and some part of that will be sold in the external market, which will help their profitability as well. For the copper business, it's aided by stable TCRC margins, and also we'll see some higher volumes coming out of there. So those are the factors that play. Keep an eye out on these three numbers. That's the 2,850 crores for the total India business, 2,200 crores for aluminium, as well as for copper, around 650 crores. What else we'll track? The management commentary on how they want to reduce debt, their capex plans as well. Why are they doing this Novelis IPO? And where do they see the aluminium prices stabilizing at? I guess in the next 60 to 90 minutes, we'll have the numbers with us. Back to you.
All right, Nigel, next 60 to 90 minutes is something that we'll keep an eye out on. So that's about Hindalco. Take a short break, come back on the other side. We will be joined by Manisha, who will take us through all things commodities.